Do you want to know what predicts divorce? Well, this amazing researcher and psychologist named John Gottman researched this very question. So what he did was he called couples in to this sort of vacation rental, and he and his team of researchers observed them throughout the day. They watched their interactions, and they followed up with these couples later on to see who had split and who had stayed together. And what the researchers found was quite amazing. They could predict who would stay together and who would split with a close to 90% accuracy. And the cool thing is, they narrowed the things that you have to look for that predict divorce to 4 things. The first thing is criticism. That is constantly negatively evaluating your partner. So if you feel like your relationship is characterized by constant negative evaluation, see if you can learn to add some compliments when your partner deserves them. And trust me, as negative as you feel about your partner, when there are fights going on, there will be something positive or some sort of strength of theirs that you could point out. The second thing is contempt. That is a dislike for the kind of person that your partner is. It's thinking that they are bad, not just their behaviors. So a way to get out of contempt is to focus on the behaviors that you would like to be addressed, rather than calling them bad because they don't follow your guidelines. The third thing is defensiveness. Defensiveness is when you can't take any criticism from your partner and you tend to be reactive. If they complain about something, you complain about something to them, or you just deny that you have a problem. So a way to counter that is to just see if you can try not to take what they're saying personally, and see if you can find specifics in what they're saying that you could address. Because chances are the problems in your relationship aren't just because of one person. And finally, the fourth thing is called stonewalling. Stonewalling is when you sort of throw in the towel and you just start to agree with whatever your partner says because you're so tired of fighting, or because you know that they won't change their mind. It's when the wall comes up and communication dies down. Now that may stop conflict in the moment, but it's a sign that the end of the relationship is near. And so if you are someone who shuts down and stonewalls, see if you can deliberately try to just be more present in the relationship. If you feel yourself wanting to shut down, rather start to speak about what's going on for you internally. And while it may feel scary or feel like it might lead to more conflict, the alternative is a prediction that you may split up one day. And so John Gottman called these the 4 horsemen of the apocalypse. So keep an eye on them and see if you can replace them with the behaviors that I spoke about. And then you and your partner will learn how to become your own therapist.